Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact Windows 11 edition and architecture. This matters because keys are edition-specific. Once done, copy your 25-character product key so it's ready to paste. Make sure there are no extra spaces. Next, open Settings, go to System, then Activation. This is where you change the key. You'll see an option to update or troubleshoot. Choose Change Product Key. Follow prompts step by step, because Windows validates edition and digital license before proceeding. Now you enter and validate the key. Click Change Product Key, then paste the 25-character code exactly. Confirm and let Windows contact activation servers. If validation fails, choose the Troubleshoot option. Windows will try to match a digital license or suggest signing in with your Microsoft account. For more diagnostic detail, open an elevated command prompt and run slmgr. vbs/ipc followed by slmgr. vbs/auto. These commands install the key and attempt activation, giving numeric error codes you can act on. Finish by verifying activation in Settings. Look for Windows is activated or an error code. If activation succeeded, you're done. If not, sign into the Microsoft account that owns the digital license. This often resolves edition mismatches. If you still see an error, use the provided error code to run phone activation or contact Microsoft support. Quick tip: if you get error 0xC004F050 or similar, try slmgr. vbs/rearm, reboot, then re-enter the key. This can clear transient licensing states.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.